extra security is always a good thing, you know, because you're going to be flipping this hair, you're going to be flicking in people's faces, you might just be in a fight, you might just, hey, we don't know what's going to happen. So you want to make sure that your hair is going nowhere, okay? Nowhere. You gotta stay composed, stay cute no matter what happens. Sanmanan Dumelang, hello and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome to the family. I hope that you are here to stay. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, everybody, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps my video to appear for other people too, and just shows me that you're here to give me your support, and I really do appreciate every single bit of it. If you are new, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Malwande, surname Mtetwa, and on this channel I love to talk about art, business, life, and natural hair, which is the topic of today. So what I had before this was that I had a twist out, a gorgeous twist out, but I decided that I want to beat my face and I want to do a new style and help you guys out with reusing your faux locks. Sometime during this lockdown, I had crochet faux locks done by my hair business, NAKEKELWE Hair. If you would like to book for yourself and you're based in Johannesburg, I'll leave all those details in the description box below. Reach out to me, book, and I'll hook you up with that style. I will insert a photo. Okay, there you have it. You see the photo, and those are the same faux locks that we will be reusing in today's style. So this is also to encourage you, when you take out your crochet faux locks, keep them, girl, keep them, because you can use them again. So that's what we'll be doing today. So in preparation for that, I spritz my hair with water, divided it into some sections. Gosh, I can't speak. Divided it into some sections this morning, and then what did I do? Oh, I used my choms over here, H2O, metsi, amanzi, water, water, and I used this AfriTrue Intense Leave-In Conditioner from Clicks. Let's not get into Clicks politics. Now I love this leave-in conditioner. It's affordable, it does the job, it feels good. That's all she wrote. I used that, and then I braided the section so that it kind of helps to stretch it out for the style that I will be doing today. So we can just maybe start by doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Okay, so there's my hair. It's still partially damp, which is why there's like what looks like white residue, but trust me, that's just the leave-in conditioner. Nothing deep. So this now requires for me to put my hair up in a bun. We're gonna do a high pony with a faux dreadlock fringe. Ooh la la. I've done this style before, but I did it with without gel, the first time, and it was really just for one evening. I was going somewhere, didn't know what on earth to do with my hair, so I quickly figured that, wow, my faux locks, I can reuse them. Let's do that. So anyway, now I've just brushed, and I think I'm gonna tie it somewhere here. This looks like a good spot, right? So to prepare for that, I'm going to spritz more water, and I have a mirror here, this side, so if I look there, that is why. I see myself better in the mirror, honestly. And then I'm just going to get that in. Luckily for me, my hair absorbs water pretty well. So if yours doesn't, just spend more time putting in that water. I needed to get a hair tie. You will need one of these. You'll need one of these. Whatever it is that you use to tie your hair, but please do not use anything that has metal or has an elastic, like a, don't use a rekere. What do we call it? Yeah, a rubber band. There we go. Don't use this thing to tie your hair. It will cause breakage. I say that with kindness and with your best interest at heart too. So I'm going to go in with gel, which is not something I like to do. Which is not something I like to do. Yo, let me speak properly. It's not something I like to do, but I do have a wash day coming up soon, so this works perfectly. I am going to be using the Styling Dreads Maximum Hold Molding Gel Wax with tea tree oil. One of my close friends introduced me to this, and I'm never looking back, child. I'm never looking back. I love it. Can they just work with me? One day is one day. Because I use their products on all my hair clients now. I love it. It smells good. If you could smell through the screen, that would have been great, but you can't. Anyway, I'm just going to... That's the consistency. That's what it looks like. It's quite clear, which I love. And when it says maximum hold, it literally means maximum hold. Okay, so I'm going back to looking in my mirror. And I'm just going to put this around the perimeters of my hair. If you have short hair, then you will need to use a different technique to tie up your hair. There are tons of YouTube videos that show how to tie hair, how to do a bun on short hair. You're gonna have to use a whole lot more gel than I am using, but in my case I don't need to do that. But also I don't want this, I'm not planning to keep this style for more than 2 days, so I'm not gonna spend my effort and product unnecessarily. So then I'm gonna go in with this brush. This brush I got from Pep. Yes, darling, Pep. And I'm going to brush in the gel, I guess. Hey, it's long guys, you know, shy sometimes. Brush in, brush on, whatever, man. You get what I'm saying? You know what I mean. Look at that. Look at that. Then we'll come back to the edges eventually. I'm gonna move on to the back and hope that it is visible. The hair here in the back is quite soft, so I try not to mess with it too much. If you have the same issue, do the same. But in general, please just be gentle with your hair. Your hair loves you. Love it back. Love it back. Yeah, now it's been years since I put gel onto my hair like this. This feels good but strange. Literally, it's been years. I can safely say 5 years. My mother used to do this a lot though when I was a child. Plus I had relaxed hair, so you know those hairstyles and those buns that I was rocking. Yes. Hey. she used to deal with me and gel in my hair. Yay, yay. Anyway, I just keep grabbing and pull here at the top, and yeah, just go section by section, making sure that I'm holding as much hair as I can hold, but still being gentle, you know. But after this, I must still have my hair strands, and so should you. Then we're gonna tie this and make a little thing there. Then I'm gonna lay it with a scarf so that it can just lay down a bit more, and I'll be back to do the whole edges shebang. So basically I just section out some of the locks that I want to use. What I love most is the fact that they have these curly, slightly curly ends. Sorry, here's a better side. And this is from when I was installing them. So these are the parts I had used at my roots when I was installing them, and now they just look like cute curls. Perfect for a bun. And when I put them, I kind of make them different heights so that my bun can just, you know, just have some flavor to it. So you will also need an elastic band or a hair tie. I'm using an elastic band because I'm not going anywhere after this video. I'm taking this off and I'm resting. So yeah. Oh, sorry, I should probably explain that. You want to take the elastic band, pull it through like so, then take the so humbled. Wow. Anyway, like so, then you want to take the one side and pull it through. So this side through and catch it there, and there you have this kind of tie. And this is what I will be attaching onto my hair. So I'm going to hold on to this while I take this out. My hair is probably not as flat as it can be, but again, I'm not going anywhere. If you are doing this to go out, which you should, please do go out, just leave it on for longer, or you can use a hairdryer on top of the scarf just to add some heat to help it dry. But anyway, it is kind of flat. It's flat enough. And then I'm going to attach it there, not once but twice. There we go. Hello, hi, my name is Madam to you. Oh, I already feel so bad. Then there's the fringe part. Okay, let me remember. Oh, there's the fringe part. So I just took 1, 2, 3 strands, fold them in half. There, fold them in half, and I'm gonna separate them. So these can sit in many different ways. You can put them like that, you can make it longer, which I don't think you should do that. But yeah, you can put them like this. You know what I mean? African goddess. There's a hair attacking me. There's a hair attacking me. Oh my gosh. Okay. You can put it like that. 1. Or you can put it like that. 2. This is always the direction I head because I get irritated with stuff here. So just separate it out into 3 like that. Then decide where I want it to sit. So that for me is satisfactory. Then I just wrap it around the rest of the style, and basically finesse, man. Do what you must, girl. Figure it out. But that's it. And then I'm gonna take some. As you can see, my elastic band is still visible, and I don't want that to be visible because mama, we're trying to look like we woke up with that band, okay? Not like we made it. So just take 3 strands and I'm wrapping them around the base, also to secure this fringe thing. And I'm pushing it up further because I feel like it's going way too low. Then yeah, just wrap, you know, wrap 30 wrap. And there you have it. There you have it. If you want to, you can use these babes, hairpins, and just secure it further. Extra security is always a good thing, you know, because you're going to be flipping this hair, you're going to be flicking in people's faces, you might just be in a fight, you might just, hey, we don't know what's going to happen. So you want to make sure that your hair is going nowhere, okay? Nowhere. Gotta stay composed, stay cute no matter what happens. I don't know why I'm thinking the worst. Maybe you're just gonna go out and be happy. But either way, you know, even when you're happy, you're just like Mbo Ning Kingwana Mang. So, you know, you need to make sure that Bomboning Kingwana Mang don't end your ponytail on the other side of the road, because wow. That would just be an owl in this life of sin, okay? An owl, my babes. So there you have it. For me, I'm done, eh? I'm done. I'm sorted. I'm Gucci. If you don't want this, you don't have to do this, but hey, me, I like this thing, you know? I like it. I like it a lot. So, yeah. Gist of it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you give this a try, or if you are unable to, you can just, you know, the next time you do crochet faux locks, keep them, honey, keep them, because you can do such amazing things with it. You don't have to have it hanging like this as well. You feel free to put it up in a bun if you want to. You can do 2 space buns with it, but using the same technique that I've just shown you, it all should work out just perfectly fine. Thank you once again for joining me for another video. In fact, let me be this girl. Thank you once again for joining me for another video. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm very happy to catch you in the next one. Until then, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Become a part of this family, y'all. And feel free to follow me on my socials. I will leave them over here. Mostly I'm active on my Instagram and TikTok. Catch me there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.